Hey, what's up guys? Looking for the perfect gift this year for the gadget person in your life? Look no further. We have scoured the internet, we've done all the dirty work for you. I've got my list of the best 10 that I'm gonna recommend to you right now.
Healthy do you think you are? What if you didn't have to guess? Meet FitTrack. It detects fat mass, muscle mass, hydration, and 14 other important health insights. FDA approved and tested against the gold standard with 120,000 customers in 12 countries. FitTrack is top rated with 4.9 stars on over thousands of reviews. Gain daily insights on multiple areas of your health. With 17 different health indicators, you'll know precisely how healthy you are. Click here to learn more about FitTrack today.